Hey yo, welcome back everybody. Yes, I was waiting for the drop. I was trying to synchronize my entrance with the drop, okay? I was just waiting for that. How's it going? This is the episode 31 of my embedded Rust adventures, and yeah, guys, we're getting close. We're getting close. But getting close to what? That's the question. Anyways, let me show you the updates first, because I made some changes on my little device. First of all, let me okay, I'm more comfortable now. Guys, if you don't know what I'm working on this. I swear to God, it's not a bomb. I don't know how I'm gonna travel with this, by the way. Like at the airport they will ask questions, but there we go. Twitter. If you want to check this out, go to the link, whatever. This is what we're working on. I have a splash screen now. Look, boom, we have the splash screen. It was not that visible, but yeah, I changed some things. Maybe I can show you on my shitty camera. There we go. So let me show you the splash screen again. Hello Jostas, welcome back. My man. I'm doing fine. I'm just showing the updates, okay? So yeah, there you go. You have this view. You have this view. This is like this is the, what is it? Spectrum. Then you have the fretboard, which this is like the thing that we're gonna work on today. And yeah, that's basically that. You have a bunch of stuff in here. Actually, no. But yeah, it works, okay? It works. Send that to me, okay? Give me your address. And the thing is, I made some changes on the fretboard too, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's this little text over here. It's not fucking visible at all. But we can change the mode, like right now. So when I just turn this thing, right now I have, what just happened? I have live fretboard mode. I have scale, exercise, and song. So today, the updates that I'm gonna do in the fretboard widget gonna make us able to track the notes, and we will have an exercise mode where you will just see the notes and you'll try to play them, and then it will just generate a random note, and then you just like track the notes and shit. So let's yeah, we'll figure something out. It is okay. What is the thing? Like, what is the machine name in your hand? Good question. Good question. Maybe I should have said that in the beginning. So it is this project. I haven't updated the page yet, but there you go. If you go to hardware, there are like a bunch of pictures in here. And yeah, you'll see this. This is like the prototype, so this will probably change over time, but this is what we're working with right now. So yeah, there you go. Oh, by the way, we have some unboxing to do, guys. I have ordered some PCBs, the same PCBs that I'm using inside of this case, and today we got the package. So live unboxing, okay? Let's get it. It's not that exciting because I have already 4 of them, but like I have 5 more. I will have 5 more of them, so I will have 9. I'll just give away 4 of them probably, and just give away 1 of them as a kit, because I have I can't just make a kit at this point. I have all the parts, and yeah, I'm just gonna solder one of them, like assemble one of them, but I'm not gonna put it in a case, so that I will have the the PCB, like the circuit board, and I can just show off that to people. So yeah, and we have Ratatouille logo on it. Yeah, absolutely. So let me just open this and let's have a look what's inside, guys. We are so back, absolutely. Yeah, throw this away. So JLC PCB. Shout out to my Chinese homies just putting this together. Let's open this shit up. I don't have a knife or anything. I have it's fucking funny, dude. I don't have a knife, but I have all the fucking cool shit. Like I have a fucking blowtorch. I have a torch. I have a knife. Okay, whatever. What's good? Illegitimate egg. Dude, I have more PCBs because I was so stressed that I ordered like 2 packages with 2 different shipment options because I was kind of like afraid that the first package won't arrive because of the customs and shit like that. So I have now extra PCBs. So we're just unboxing. How are you doing? Yeah, Chinese homies. Yeah, absolutely. Those guys just working their ass off just to get these things for me. There you go. Do I have my address on this? No. Okay, it's safe. Let's open this up. Boom. By the way, thanks again for helping me on this PCB design, illegitimate egg. You greatly helped me with this, so I really appreciate it. I won't forget your help. I'm good. Been writing some tweets of my own. That's great. Guys, are you ready? I have already seen these, so I'm not super excited. But if you haven't seen these are super cool. Boom! You have the Twitter custom PCBs. You have the Ratatouille logo on it, of course. It says rat inside, dude. Boom! So many. Oh shit! I can just flex at this point. Let me just flex, guys. Let me flex. I have I have stickers too. This is like labels that I use on the case, but yeah, you can use it as stickers. Dude, let me just flex real quick. Guys. Oh my god, so many circuit boards, so many. Holy shit. Oh my. Why do I have so many of these? I'm not gonna use all of them. But anyways, let me just flex. Boom. People flex money. We flexing PCBs, bruh. Boom. It's a fat stack. We're stacking PCBs, bruh. Look at this. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Boom. Take a screenshot, post it to Discord, please. Thank you. Nice band. Yeah. Boom. Alright, thank you for the screenshot. Alright, so we're gonna put this back into its place. I'm gonna give away some of them. I don't need all of this. Because, yeah, this design is gonna change either way. We're gonna end up with something more, something smaller and something more suitable for production, probably. Not probably, most likely. Alright, so I'm gonna put these away. Okay. How much is this stash? I don't know, bro. Priceless. Alright, so yeah, going back to the code base. So today, like I said, I want to do the tracking mode stuff. So I want to be able to show notes on the fretboard and be actually able to track them. So if it is okay to say, what are we trying to achieve with this? Good question again. Good question again. I can give you a demo. Wait. Where's my phone? Tone generator. So I'll try to show it to you. Hopefully without breaking anything. Where's the... Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna turn this on. You see, right now it's showing some random stuff, but if I play a note, it's gonna show the note to you. So the point is, I'm trying to build this helper tool for musicians, and right now it's just visualizing it. The fretboard is the part where I think the most like interesting. Okay, I don't know what happened. Wait, let me just restart it. So the fretboard is pretty cool, I think. You still can't able to see it, but you see the fretboard. So you basically plug your guitar to this. You get your cable. You plug it in. Wait, let me just turn this off. You plug it in, right? The fretboard is one of the things that separates it from a normal tuner, yes. So you turn it on, you switch to the guitar mode. Right now it's just reading the signal from the guitar. You turn on the gain all the way up. So right now it's supposed to show what I have. I don't know if you can see it, but like I cannot even see it. So I just like hit the E string and you just see the E string here. It's not so visible. Also, like, I don't know if you can see it though. Yeah, so look at here. Look at here. This row or this column. I'll just go through each string. So yeah, that's right now it's just showing the note on the fretboard. It's not doing something super fancy. But today, hopefully, in the following 3 hours, we'll build that. It's visible to some level. I guess the problem with Embedded is that there's no way to screen record. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get to work. And my water. Alright, so like I said, I have now 4 different modes. One of them is already implemented. This is like the live mode. Just shows you the note. Next ones are like the scale, exercise and song. But before that I need to do some changes in the fretboard widget, because right now it looks like this, and you can only show, like, you can only highlight a single note. Oh, it's screen record. I'm pretty sure you guys can do that if you sell your souls like for these skills. Yeah, that's probably possible, but yeah, overkill. So, wait. I'm super uncomfortable with these headphones today for some reason. So right now you can like set the highlighted notes like here, right? But what I want is I want to show a ghost note, and then you play it, and then if you hit the ghost note, so to speak, it will just it will clear itself, or it will do something, I don't know. So I need two states for this. For like, first one is just to show whatever note you need to play, and whatever note you're playing. So I need to make some changes on that. But actually, before that, let me refactor this a bit. I'm gonna actually switch to ratatui-fretboard here, and going to split this up quite a bit because I don't like the current structure. It's just a single file. So we'll have error note, and let's do fretboard RS maybe. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah. So I'm gonna move the error type to error. There we go. I'm gonna define those modules too. All right. Note. Let's move the note to a note. I'm gonna actually change the import a little bit. Stateful widget. Alright, there you go. How in the world do you draw that line in the code? How? You mean this line, or what do you mean? Okay, let me just have no, I'm gonna move the tests here. It's just Unicode. Okay. Error is now done, I think. Let me document this error handling. Widget implementation. Wait, did I just import the wrong thing? Is it like ops, or which module is this? I think it's ops. Alright. Fretboard, state. Those are like the two things that I need to publicly export. And this should be all good now. Let me run Clippy. Alright, test. That is damn cool. Hell yeah, Unicode is really nice. By the way, if you hear like a white noise from my microphone, that's because I'm running a fan next to me because the weather is super fucking hot. So if it's like too loud, just let me know and I'll just turn it off. But I don't want to just cook myself during the stream, so you know. Error implementation. Alright, this should be good. Let me commit this. Refactor, fretboard, split into files. I should really get a YubiKey or something like that. I don't want to just type in my password all the time, you know. Okay, so I don't like the way that this looks right now, to be honest, because the first, like the empty string is being shown here and it looks like the first fret, you know. I don't like that, so let me actually, I want this to look like this, just to make it like more apparent that this is like the first, like not the first, sorry, empty string. I want to make empty string like more obvious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna paste all the code to ChatGPT and just make it do the thing. What? You cannot judge me for that. Come on, dude. So okay, let me just paste everything. So I have this fretboard widget implementation. The thing is, empty string is not obvious, and it looks like the first fret. I want you to do this change true in this module. Do this change before, after. Simply make the first column shorter and remove 0. Okay, let's see if it's gonna be able to do that. Minimal patch. This is GPT-5, so I'm just like hoping that will do it. Maybe I should just read the code and do it myself, but whatever. Okay, what did you do? Hello, Transistoric. How's it going? Okay, it did something, I think. It removed the comments, which is not great. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm trying to understand the patch. Maybe just run the tests. My CPU is burning overnight to test Meson 190 RC2. Sounds very painful, not gonna lie. Right, it did something, but like this numbers are not shifted. Wait, you won't be able to, we won't be able to show, you won't be able to highlight the empty string this way because yeah. I don't want to get a quick answer. Transistor, what is your current role in the Void Linux project? What are you doing? At this point you should be the CEO of just Void Linux, because you're every time I'm talking to you, you're either like in the packaging hell or you're just like you're either you're in the packaging hell or you're in the packaging hell. Man, this fucking GPT sucks actually. It doesn't work. Quick answer 20 minutes later, and it's so shitty. Like, what is this answer? I can just like I can do this patch myself. I don't need ChatGPT for this. Fuck that. I'm just gonna revert everything. Okay, there you go. Just a run-of-the-mill package maintainer. Who's developing Linux? Transistoric is. So I will just get inspired from this, you know. Fretboard. Okay, it's a J. Width, left pad, right pad. Just repeating. I can do this myself. So what is this symbol doing? It's just extending. Where do we define this? Do we use this anywhere else though? Wait, I can do this. So if it's like 0, just 1. You're an OS dev. Normal web dev. And we're just like normal developers as well. Like we're not anormal. I hope. I guess, I don't know. We're also normal, man. Right? Transistoric. Are you? Transistoric is not real, by the way. I don't know. He's like. He's just a chatbot. Just saying. Just saying. Right, that kind of worked. But I need to skip the 0. So right now the fret representation looks good. Wait, maybe I should just make the whole wait, I have an idea. Oh shit, I think I know what I will do. I live rent-free in Twitter. Hell yeah, man. Perhaps you could bold the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 12th frets. So there's a marker where the real fret markers on a guitar are. That's a good idea. The thing is, I don't think we have the bold modifier in the backhand yet. I don't know. What does this top fans thing do, by the way? I still don't know. Yeah, in the YouTube chat. So let me fix the number row too. I should skip one of them. Skip one. Now, let's see what happens. Now it starts from 1. If I push one empty string to label line, or just start with like string from empty, I think this will be good. Yeah, that worked, I think. Let me update the tests. Okay. What are these other lines though? Oh, hello Namco, what's up? How's it going, man? You missed all the PCB flexing. I flexed like hella PCBs before you joined. Okay, now what is going on? I think I need to add 2 spaces instead of 1. What is the difference between this and that? Oh, this is now shorter, okay. We can just, okay, 40. Can just copy this. I mean, it looks good, I think, so. He flexes a stack, a huge stash will be sent to us personally so we can get high with that. What is generous? Yeah, that was fun. Okay, maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them. Actually, I'll just probably give them away at a conference. Who's coming to Rust Forge, by the way, in New Zealand? Who's going to be there? Any of you, by any chance, going to be there? Oh man, what is going on? All the tests are failing. Didn't I update these Rust Forge when it will be happening? It's in like 2 weeks. No chance I'll be there. You're aware how far it is. Yeah, I know. I just checked my flights today. I know. I've been a maintainer for a year, so void itself dates back to roughly 2014. How many maintainers do you guys have at this point? (36 to 13). Okay, which test is this? Narrow display. (51). So this is the wide display one. 49, I think. I should just do snapshot testing. Actually, I can do that. 36 13. 36 13. It's the same. No. Wait, what? Oh, this is the expected one? What's wrong with this one? So wait, what am I asserting here? The first one is the buffer that I'm getting, and the second one is the expected one. Okay. I don't think this is scaling right. Available width. What is going on with this music, bro? The DJ is going crazy. It's 20 with him, it's 820. The hidden gems of ambient drum and bass. Okay, let's hear it. So wait, I'm going to disable these tests for now, because these are confusing me. I want to run the test. Okay, this is now passing. Okay, but this one, narrow display. We could probably 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we can extend this a bit, like let me change this available width thing. Okay, now it's passing. How about this one? Okay, this is also passing. Single string open node. Let's try this one. This is gonna fail probably. Yeah. So I'm pretty satisfied with how this looks right now, but the thing is, you see the open string, right? So if you show this like that, so you know, like here, you see this looks like it's actually placed on the frets, like you see from this guitar. Wait, let me just go to face cam. So so this is like the first fret, second, so this is empty. So right now we're just showing empty string here. Doesn't make sense to me. You know, like 1, 2 and 0 is here, but 0 is not here on a guitar. You don't do that. So what I want is, I want to highlight the whole line. So I want to change the color of the whole line instead of just adding a point here. You know what I mean? So this is gonna just look exactly the same like this, but we're gonna just highlight this line. To do that, we need to do something like left pad, right pad. So we're gonna highlight these, right? String style default. Let's do a default for now. String style. This will work, hopefully. No. Foreground. Okay, just gotta call into then. Oh my god. Just create a span. Okay, span styled, and then we're gonna do it like this. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, there we go. And we're gonna do the same for the right pad. There we go. And then so we have the string names, right? So we're gonna check the string names. So if the active node contains note, you're gonna do something like if active node contain, oh no, wait. What I want is name of the strings on the fret. Oh wait. active node contains node. If string self string names contains node, active node style. There you go. So let me show you. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Let me just run it. What Linux are you using, guys? I'm thinking of switching to Linux soon. Feel like a real developer, always feel like a scamster. What is scamster? Sounds like a hamster. So if I play E4, so let's see how this will look like. E4, wait. Where is it? E4, there you go. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't change anything at all. Maybe it did. Maybe I can try this. So wait, what is note? Do we have a like a green test switch still? No. Okay, we no longer have the first. Wait, what? It's a bit weird. But okay, so E4. Wait, I know why. It's because I'm using Tui. Wait, where's the fretboard widget? Oh, it's. I need to change it in the UI. Hold on. Core. Twitter. Fretboard. Workspace. What do I use in the workspace? This is the fretboard. Wait, it's using this version. So what's wrong? And why these tests are failing suddenly? I don't get it. It was just fine seconds ago. Let's revert all of this. Okay, now it's failing. What the hell? What did I change? Oh, I changed the test. Okay, that makes sense actually. Hold on. I need to update the test case. Jumping from Arch to Linux from scratch is like recommending Dark Souls to a Sims player. Was fun. I never played Dark Souls and I never did Linux from scratch. Am I missing out? So why am I getting no like active note symbol, like active note style? I should have gotten at least like a yellow string. Where's my yellow string, bro? String style. String names. How do you actually configure this? E2. Oh, it's E2, what? I think I should be more specific with the string name stuff too. Name. Instead of name, let me do. So what is this? So just turning the name without the. Yeah, okay. Let me do display instead. So to string. So this will look better, I think. There you go. Also need a space there, so it's gonna be three things. But if we do that, we just run out of space. Which is not great. Then I need to change the available width to -2 again. It was -4, so -2. Okay. Looks kind of okay now. What? Is this like the result that we're getting, or wide display? Is this the result that we're getting, or what? Yeah. Okay, that's not good. We're missing the last. Yeah, this is not great. It doesn't align, so maybe 3. You have so many repos, man. Everyone in my profile. I have 3 years of experience in web dev. I had the thing in personal time. Yeah. I don't know what to feel about that, to be honest. Like about myself, I'm just vibing. I sacrificed many things, bro. I sacrificed a happy life. A normal life, happy with you know, with peace. Instead, we just swimming in money now and just like flexing PCBs and shit. You know, it's really hard. It's really hard out there, bro. Take care of yourself. Create all the false repos and nah, come on. Dude, why is this so broken? What am I supposed to do? Like, I'm just brute forcing the hard-coded numbers here. I'm just brute forcing them. Okay, maybe the actual like size is not good. Let me do 51 again. Looks alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I couldn't even count to 5, bro. I don't know. I don't know what to say. What did it cost? Everything. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty good now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, am I not playing e4 here? E2. Okay, E2. It's literally like open string. Let me update the tests. No, this one. I'm really ashamed to know I breathe the same air as you guys. It's really embarrassing. Dude, that's a wrong way to look at things. Yeah, we're not special. You're not weak. There you go. There you go. How do you install something like Spotify without even using terminal? I'm puzzled even as a Linux user. I mean, you mean using a graphical package manager. Dota, man, this is such a cool project. Thank you. All right, so that's that. E2. So open string. It's not working for some reason. This Oh, I need to play E2. That's why. Oh damn, that's gonna be a bit problematic. No, E4 actually. That should work. So E2, E4. Wait, let me just panic, bro. Let me just panic. Let me just panic here. Best way to debug things, okay? Alright, let me just panic for this test case. Ubuntu has snaps, they suck, but easiest thing ever. I used them once for I think it was Snap for installing Minikube, or no, something cube. It was alright, but then I just immediately uninstalled. I don't know, it felt kind of slow. So E4 is being played and the string names are those. String note. I need to check the string note. String note. Snaps are why I got fed up with Ubuntu. I get why they are popular, but you can't easily opt out. Yeah, bro. E2, E2. Alright, that seems like what I want, so I'm basically gonna go ahead and change this condition to note equals string note. Note and note. There you go. So now, in theory, we should get a nice colorful string when I play E4. We don't get shit. Why? Why is that? I hear these fancy words, but I have zero ideas what that is. Embedded engineering, kernel, package manager, so on. So these fancy words to me I have zero ideas about. That's a very good spot to be in, because you have a lot of things to learn and it's very fucking fun. For us, maybe if you know those things, those are just boring, but for you, those are super new concepts. You should really take advantage of that. You should see that as a fun thing to do instead of being overwhelmed. Yeah, you gotta take a step forward and just learn things. There was one Instagram reel today. I watched that, and if I remember it, I'll just tell you. It's kind of cringe, I know. I'm just sharing reels with you guys, but it was something like, if you go to a course, you don't know anything, you'll feel stupid. If you go to a gym, you will feel weak at first because your muscles are not developed yet. So at first everything will be painful, but that's just part of the process, and you just gotta know that and just move on and just get used to it. So at first you'll feel like you don't know nothing, but that's just part of the process. And some shit like that, I don't know, bro. I'm not a motivational speaker at all. String note. What is note, by the way? It's just... Oh, it's just a single... What was this test again? I totally forgot. E2. So E, F, G. I think I'm gonna check the first one. Bass note. Oh, bass note. I can just check the bass note. Bass note. I'm battling myself to learn those things. Fun fact, I still don't know about the OPS, but the backend, a miracle. Who cares about fucking object-oriented programming, bro? That's just like... That's some ancient shit. Okay, I'll just trigger a lot of Java developers, but sorry, nobody cares about that. Sorry if I triggered anyone, but I don't really care. You don't need object-oriented programming. I mean, it's good to know, but whatever. Write small goals for yourself, do one by one, yeah. Guys, please don't clip that. I don't want to get cancelled by Oracle. I don't want to get cancelled by Sun Microsystems. Okay. Oh shit, okay. I need to remove the printer. Now we should get a Colorful string, come on. Not getting shit, bro. God damn it. I just need a colorful string. Why is it so difficult? E2, 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 okay. I mean, what is note anyways? Oh, active notes. I should check the active notes. Okay, I think this will work. So active notes contains bass note. Something like that. Okay, please. That didn't work. State active notes. Let's just see the stuff. E2, it's just E2. String style. Maybe I can set the style. Just want to make sure that this line is actually hit. What do you want to learn first? Learn Rust. I mean, it works. This thing works right now. Active note style. So style, default. Yeah, just use this. Let's see now. What if I don't draw this? Just draw this maybe. Man, I really don't get why this is not working. Okay, string style. What if I just add like this little thing over here? That seems a bit wrong. That seems a bit wrong. Okay, maybe now. Oh, J1, J should be 0 actually. What the hell? Oh, wait, I'm just stupid. Who's Francesco? I know, I think I've seen, I know who you're talking about, but I'm not sure if that's the guy. Ask some LLM what is Linux, what is a kernel, what is Ubuntu. Yeah, just talk with an LLM, that's a good idea. It will just give you a lot of general information about main things. So yeah, I sometimes do that. I always do that. Okay. I'm trying to like understand this. Maybe I should have the logic here. No. My journey begins here. That's great. Wait, what if I just like use the active note style for like for everything? We don't actually get like a colored fret still, so it's a bit weird. Line from spans. So if I place this here, you see what I mean? Like I should get like colored characters here, but I don't get that. Wait. Let me just remove this logic. Let string style color green into just green. Let's just use green. Let me see if I get like green lines. Okay, it's just gonna be style. No, we don't get that. And I don't know why. Are we removing this style at some point, or span styled line from, I mean even the line has style, and then set line. Line from spans. No worries, Joe Stas. Join the grind. Join the grind today. $49.99 per month. Just kidding. Label line. Buffer set line from spans. What if I just like set this style on this? If I just set the style on this. Okay, now it's all green. That's not what I want. What if I remove this? Now we don't get any frets or anything. Oh, symbol, like span. Is there a like ratatouille bug somewhere? Because I really don't get what's going on. 49, and now wait, let me roll the bank account back. Can you style it in another way? I am not sure, but yeah, this should work. Like, I'm literally styling the note here. You see? Span styled active note symbol, and then we have... That's so weird. Is this like a ratatouille bug? Oh, it's actually styling, but it's doing it for single single frets. At least I see that now. Wait, maybe my logic was also working. One sec. Let me check this string style. Tests. Now it's not working, but if I play E4, nope. How about I do this? I like the style, I mean not the font UI, font and UI. Okay, so now it's like styling the frets, but like the single fret. I want this to style the whole thing. How do I do that? String style. How much is the size of the project until now? I don't know, let's check. You mean lines of code? It is 2 lines of JSON. That's all. It's just 2 lines of JSON. I think it's pretty good. Okay, draw top border. Maybe it's because of this thing. Is it a line styled? Yeah. Wait a minute, 2 lines of JSON? What? Yeah, 2 lines of JSON, that's all. That's enough. Right now we're just working with 2 lines of JSON. That's enough, bro. No need to complicate things, right? I'm just joking, man. It is almost 2000 lines. JSON Turing complete. I think CSS is Turing complete. Don't joke with me, man. Just, yeah, 2000 lines. Symbol. I think this is for a single fret. What if I just don't draw anything here? Oh wow. How did this happen? Guys, 1 second. My mom is calling me. I need to pick this up. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Alright guys, we're still back. What I was saying, I don't remember. What is a Turing complete language? It's a good conversation topic with an LLM. That was fast, of course. No time to waste. Alright, so now the quickest mom phone call I ever not heard. Guys, you gotta be quick, you know, you gotta... In our family, everyone's on the grind, okay? No time to waste. I think he said bye mom and cut it. No, it's all good. I got all the instructions. It was like a... Guys, this was just a quick grind check, okay? We just do that. It's normal. It's normal. Just call each other and say, hey, quick grind check-in. How was the grind? Good, we're grinding, okay. Nice, goodbye. Take the cat out of reset, it doesn't. Damn, how do you know that? Didn't I mute myself? Guys, next time I'm just gonna stop the stream and then start streaming again. My brain is fried. I don't know what's going on here. I feel like this should work. And I don't know why it's not working. Let me try to debug it like this. Okay. Bunch of X's. I have my X's watching the stream. Alright, it's just repeating. Can I make this color red into? Is it caching the font? I don't know. Love to eat Turkish foods one day, man. I hope I'll be there by the end of 2026. Yeah. Sounds like a good goal. Where are you from, by the way? Okay, it's not making this red for some reason. Maybe I should just something is wrong. I think I found a bug. Okay, finally. Finally, man. That was so painful because I was just constructing the line and then getting the spans. That's why it was like it was fucking things up. Okay. Now if I play E4, where's my phone? Okay, there you go. I don't know if you guys see it. I don't think it's visible enough. Active note style. Let me add a new parameter. Active string style. New parameter just added, guys. Let's use magenta. Alright, there we go. Okay, there you go. You guys see it? Maybe red would be better actually. Let me just use red. Okay. Now there's no way that you're not seeing this. Maybe I should also colorize the fret divider things. Should I do that, or is it good like this? Should I colorize these parts? Guys, yes or no question. Be quick, please. Yes or no question, guys. Okay, I'm doing it. Yes, but pink. No. Purple. Is it a junction sign? Yeah. First, why are you crying? Does the screen has good colors? Yeah, I mean, colors are not bad, I would say. The junction characters are being colored too. There you go. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Not sure if I like that, to be honest. Yeah, nah. Let's do B3. Let's do B3. Where's B3? I cannot do B3, man. What the hell? B3, come on. Okay, I cannot. For some reason I can't. Okay. But I liked it better without the conjunction characters being colored, to be honest. So I'm gonna remove that. Okay, this is like a drastic improvement over the widget, I think. Looking good, I like it. The tests are also passing. No, they're not. Okay, it's because I removed the freaking highlight symbol. That's why it's not passing, but now it will be fine. Microtones, man, dude, I cannot even do normal tones. Okay, no tests. What? Okay, I was running the tests in the wrong directory. Guys, sorry, I touched the Ethernet cable with my foot and then it just got disconnected, but I should be back now. It was totally my mistake. Nothing related to the government. My bad, but it should be back. Can you guys confirm that I'm back? F5, please. I lost like 0.3 frames during that period. Ideally, you would draw frets in a layer and strings as another. That would solve the coloring nicely. Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, the colors have changed. Styles. How can I style the buffer? Can you do that actually? I was thinking like I need to... Probably. But that's like a future improvement, I think. I'm not gonna do that now. With active string style default. I'm doing something similar with Symmetry, but before of pixels I do alpha blending. It's a good question. Can you send me an issue about this, please? I would appreciate that, because I don't want to forget it. And I don't want to work on that now. So, yeah, would be really appreciated. Let me take a note. Okay. Feet, fretboard. Can probably tomorrow. Yeah, that would be really great, man. Thank you. Support. Highlighting. String. Yeah, let me just do that. Okay. Let me take a look at this again. All right. So, moving on. So what I want is to be able to track notes, right? And we are now putting notes on the fretboard by using this active notes thing. And apart from that, I need another API. So let me create a tests integration. Let me put the test track notes. Okay, what is the area? I think I can work with this area. Fretboard. Let me import things. I have to take a look at Rusty code. Now I'm hooked. Hell yeah, bro. Rendered not found. What do you mean? So, I don't know why render is not found. That doesn't make sense to me. State. Stateful widget. Okay, there you go. So, expected. I don't know why this is like a huge string. Probably don't need like this much of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just 7 lines should be enough. So 36 to 7. Alright, let's run the integration test. Active node is not set. That's fine. Okay, we're getting good results. I really don't like the music, by the way. Planetary Drift Volume 3. Oh man, this music is just making me want to sleep. I don't like that. Video game music. Put Sweet Dreams. What is that? What genre is that? Sweet Dreams sounds like something that I would sleep to. So guys, the API that I want is something like, so let's remove this. So right now this passes, right? Yeah. Set ghost node F4, let's do F4, and then we check again, and we see something like this. And then we go ahead and set active node to F4, and then we assert we assert Nate. It's gonna clear the ghost nodes when you hit it. Last stream got insta dropped for some random reason. Yeah, not the last, but the one before last. Was it the blackout? Damn, bro, that is really bad. What is bad? Oh, do you mean the blackout? Yeah, I think that it was like the previous stream, or one of the previous streams, there was just like no electricity, so I was in the dark, and what I did was what I did was just like play with the torch. So it was basically like this. It was fun though. Actually, I'm gonna code like this. I don't care. We just coding like this, guys. Like a caveman, true caveman. No electricity, no nothing. Just me. I'm just. Oh wow, the street lamps, they look really nice from here. I cannot show you because I don't want to dox myself, obviously, you know. Classic arch basement experience. Absolutely love it. State active nodes. So the logic here is that if you press wait. If you hit the correct note, it will just like disappear. That's the logic, basically. Okay, let's do it. Node name style. Ghost node. Oh, I shouldn't make this a part of the active nodes. Ghost nodes. The nodes that are being used for tracking. Was Orhun born when Arch is released? When was the release date of Arch Linux? Yeah, I was born, bro. What are you saying? I'm super old. In case you don't know, I'm 42 years old. You were one. No, dude, I'm 42 years old. What are you talking about? Set active nodes. Set ghost node. Okay, we have that. We don't have the ghost nodes method. Fake Orhun is 1,000 years old. Dude. Okay, I don't like cloning. Let me just make this public, man. I don't care. You have 3 seconds. How old were you in 2000 if you're 42? 69. Incidentally, 1025 is probably the first debut. that caught me off guard, man. That caught me off guard. Not gonna lie. Oh shit, this is so bright. Don't fact check me. Oh my god, dude. Debian developers, I hope they're not watching this stream. That's like... That's funny. Rust Analyzer gives TS-Lang server vibes sometimes. Especially right now. Guys, I know some Debian developers, so please don't speak bad about them. They're pretty cool, okay? They're also pretty old, but that's not the point, okay? That they are cool. Okay, what is this? Oh, I'm not drawing the ghost note. I don't have the symbol for it as well. Ghost note style. Ghost note symbol. I actually like Debian. Debian is nice, bro. Okay, let's use blue. Annex. Unicode. Big X. Debian was probably my first distro experience. Is there a ghost character in Unicode? Unicode ghost. I cannot use emojis. Is there a ghost like character in Unicode? No, those are like emojis. Okay, whatever. Active notes contains note. Okay, how should I refactor this code actually? If active notes contains that, then should have, yeah, okay, got it. Can I extract into function? String style J. What is J? Fretboard. Okay, fun name. Draw. What is this drawing actually? Draw active fret. Does this work for ghost? Yeah, I think that works, but that won't be visible. in the small screen. Did you know Ubuntu in Afrikaans means I cannot configure? Yo, what up, Aryan? How's it going? What's poppin', man? We don't need self here, to be honest. Actually, let me just take this back. Okay, there will be some code duplication here, but just bear with me, okay? I'm just trying to make sure that this works. So now, what is this? Which line is this? I got laid off. What happened? God damn. That sucks, bro. So this draws nothing. Let me at least panic. No, seriously, it was an internship. Bro, how did you get laid off from an internship? How? Why did that just lay off an intern? Well, that makes sense actually, because you're an intern, but that still sucks. Kinda crazy as well. What the hell? You don't just lay off an intern, they're just an intern, come on. A bit weird. Okay, this is not working, guys. 39. And I don't get like the panic message as well, which is a bit concerning. If I put this thing here though. The job market is insane, yeah. It's just insane. Okay, what is the problem here? Let me just print everything. Oh, wide display. Oh shit, this is not great. The unit tests are failing. Wait, what the hell? This is a bit weird because I'm not even using that now. Now track notes is failing. Can I just run the integration test? Gotta create zig jobs and finally establish global utopia. That would be great. I would just switch immediately. Okay, test track notes is failing now. But wait, the white display should not fail now because I'm not changing anything related to that. Okay, it's passing. Maybe I was just blind. So what the hell? Which line is this again? 39 F4. So please F5. Please F5. Zig for low level and Rust for web. Chef's kiss. What are you gonna use for embedded? I think there's one language that is gonna satisfy all the use cases. Do you guys know? Say some number. 41. Guys, we should just use Holy C, man. Just use Holy C for everything. Yeah, absolutely. 41. Where's my F4, dude? I don't see F4. Let me use E4 then. Oops. Zig is just totally C with syntax extensions and no fact check. I am not so sure about that. But if that's the case, then I'm interested. Okay, I don't get why this is not working. But I had some print LM here. Let me run it. So ghost nodes all empty, what? Why the hell this is all empty? Oh wait. This is because I am not rendering anything. How awesome is that? Oh shit. I'm not gonna clone it. How can I call this implementation? Don't look for Z word in Turkish. It's good that the lights are off and we can see the PHP. There's no what are you talking about, dude? What are you talking about? Like, there's... What? What are you... No, it's not showing anything. You know, I was trying to like... Okay, whatever. You get what I was trying to do. I remember that the word zig is a bad word in Arabic or something. Oh, that's not zig. That's not with Z, with S, and not with G. Whatever. You don't have to burn what? What are you talking about? Sounds bad in Turkish. Okay, what is this message? Clone is not... Can I return without recursing? I'm not trying to create a loop, bro. How about I just implement this on a reference? Okay, that worked. Alright, we're in business. We're in business. Okay. Twitter core. Now I need to update that. Stateful widget. I hope nobody depends on this crate, by the way, because I'm making hella breaking changes. What was it? Ratatui-fretboard. It will be so bad if there's any crates depending on it. Actually, we can check on GitHub. That will be a wider search. I'm behind my Turkish studies. Don't teach me bad words. Yeah, Transistor knows all the important words at this point. Can you list them, please? Let's see if he remembers them. Dependencies, okay. No dependence, that's cool. Like all? Yeah, just all of them. Ratatui-fretboard. Ass. Okay, that's what I meant. That's exactly what I meant, actually. Thank you, Transistor. You've been a great student. GitHub is Microsoft AI now. Yeah, it's kind of shit. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I left some println somewhere. I need to run the tests. This was a nice mix. I'm gonna play something softer, maybe, or maybe no. It's not softer at all. They're acting like it wasn't shit under a random CEO. Alright. Ghost note style. We don't have that function. They were not doing features at all until GitHub came up with them. Guys, what's going on? Can somebody give me a quick summary? Because I'm not really following what's going on. I saw GitHub CEO or something, but I don't know what's the deal with it. Alright, we have the ratatui-fretboard with ghost nodes. I need to make this function better. Can you make this code better? GitHub as a CEO. GitHub was kind of in the dungeon under an MS. I only saw one article headline that GitHub CEO resigned to do classic CEO fuck off and create a startup shenanigans. Yeah, that's what I saw as well. I thought you guys were talking about the same thing. Oh man, why the fuck ChatGPT 5 is so bad? Like, what the fuck is this? It is so bad. What the fuck? It was better without this flagship model, man. What the fuck? I can do this myself at this point. He's gone and people report to MS AI to him. Okay. Okay, let me just do this myself. Highlight active, highlight ghost. Okay, that should do it actually. It's not like they're gonna stop doing AI slop bullshit under some magical order management scheme. Man, why GitHub sucks so bad, man? I feel bad for them and for myself because all my shit is on GitHub. It's a bit bad. Okay, we have this tracking notes thing now. Actually, I can do more here, which is some like. Let me just set the I don't know. D sharp F3 F sharp 3 Give me the sharp 3. Okay, there you go. I remember several times when I decided whether to use GitLab or GitHub based on what allowed me free private repos. Yeah, that was just simpler times. Garrett, what is Garrett? What the hell is that? Is that yet another hosting platform? Transistor, just use SourceHut, man. Come on, man, it's time. I have a paid SourceHut account, only mainly for the IRC bouncer. How much are you paying for that? I'm just curious. I don't use SourceHut, but I have my own self-hosted Git. I did some LO stuff. No idea was able to index that I learned of him. Garrett, 2 USD. Okay, that's not bad. I'll just subscribe to your SourceHut sponsors or something, just to cover your expenses, bro. Don't worry about it. Got you. I got you. Okay, let me do clear active nodes. Let me set an active node. I'm wondering if I should track the timing of these things. Because I will eventually need that, right? Yeah, anyways, let me just commit this, I guess. All looking stuff works most of the time and just fine, just to have it change a bit, that's it. Oh, I forgot to add a comment to state. Where's that SAT active node? Yeah, okay, there you go. fretboard support tracking via ghost nodes, I guess. All right, let me integrate that into embedded now. I think it's time. Is there a meaningful difference between 3 slashes and 2 slashes? Yeah, 3 slashes are documentation comments, which means they end up in the docs.rs page, like the generated documentation, and 2 slashes are just like normal comments, just developer comments. Okay, so I'm gonna do that in app rs maybe. Yeah, in here. So fretboard mode exercise. So I'm gonna go to, is there a tick event? Let me create a tick event. Macros can differentiate between those also. That's how clap grabs docs for CLI flags. Good point, Chancellor. You sound like a Rust dev, which is great. I don't know if Zig has something like that. Do we have something like that in Zig? Let me add a tick event. Z word. Self tab fretboard and self fretboard mode equals to exercise. Maybe I should rename that to random actually. So I need some utility. Utils rs. Do I have ratatui-fretboard? Is it dependency? No. Okay, that's a bit bad. I really like the music. SourceOut is progressing in its move to Europe. Start accepting payments in euros for new subscriptions. Who's using that? Is there like a significantly big project using SourceOut? Generate random note. Generates a random Actually, I can probably wait, how do I even draw fretboard? I'm just using like a predefined fretboard, which is using fret count. It's all standard tuning. Please note that takes standard tuning into account. Rust rand for embedded. Is there? Yeah, let's see. I think small RNG is no STD, or maybe fast rand. Yeah. Use fast rand. Use fast rand here. Might have good notes. Yeah. Code burger. Code burger. What the fuck is that? The fennel language? Never heard of that. Yeah, I also need to update all of this project for guitars that has less or more than 6 strings, which is great. I'll call it Code Burger from now. Yeah, Code Burger is so great, man. Ferris. Love that name. There's no... My note API is... Hey, what did I invent? You invent the best name ever. Just give me a quick answer, man. You're giving me shitty answers anyways. Give me that shitty answer quick. Oh, man. No rand. From fret and string. Okay, whatever. If it works, then it works. I'm calling Codeberg to tell them they missed a huge opportunity. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Let's see if this shit builds. To take this as a parameter from fretboard widget. Fast round. They have a use as method now. Okay, with seed. Use seed like this. Codeburger has the anime AI bot prevention thing. Anime AI bot prevention. I like that. But tick event is not being emitted at all. Let me emit that. Okay, we have the generate random node function, but we don't use that, so let me use it in tick. If self fret. Oh, I don't have fretboard state. Do I have that? I don't have that. State get current node. Oh, I have access to state though. It was like creating a fretboard state for each iteration though. That's a bit bad. I think I'm gonna accept the fretboard state. Or maybe mutable. It's gonna be a bit weird though. Honestly, not the worst thing to see in the AI slope. Hell. Okay, I can just use it as mutable here, that's fine. But in here, fretboard state, ghost nodes. If it's empty, I'm just gonna add a ghost node. And then ghost node will be utils generate random nodes, and it's gonna take the fretboard state. It's a bit weird. No, not the state, dude. What am I doing? I have to use this desktop to able to share my screen. So, what is? I don't know what you guys are talking about at this point. I'm totally lost. My brain is melting. So what the hell I was doing? In here I need to give it a range, right? Self state fret count 0 to fret count. Oh my god. Set ghost node. Fretboard, man. Use create utils, and in here, what did I do? Dude. Range inclusive. Okay, I need to include that range, bruh. Let me include that range though. Alright, there you go. So now we should generate some notes. But I'm concerned about this. Set active node. If it's already set though, what happens? Okay. It's probably fine. Alright, guys. Okay, what is going on now? Okay, everything's working. Let me just flash this actually. Let's see how it looks like. I am... Oh shit, my head just got bigger. Alright, I'm flashing it. I don't like cartoons. What does that have anything to do with anything? Okay. Oh shit. Okay. The problem is I'm not clearing the... Oh, wait. I'm not clearing the fretboard, and we just like end up with bunch of active nodes. Let's clip that and use it out of context. Clip what, bro? I don't even remember what I said. What is going on? Why can't I just flash it, dude? Oh no, something happened. It's not doing anything anymore. Okay, there you go. I was scared there for a second, but now it's back. I am dead. I'm so dead, bro. Grinding so hard for almost 3 hours at this point. Rip. Guys, what is your plan for tomorrow? What are you guys doing tomorrow? Communication error while flashing, what? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. It's so slow, man. Come on. Okay, let me see now. I'm gonna switch to exercise mode. Okay, we have a ghost. What is that? It shows X. No, it just instead of X, it just shows a question mark actually, which is a bit disappointing. But you can take a look yourself. Wait, I'm stuck here. Okay, you can't. Never mind. I will try to play with this 1 second. So exercise mode. It's always always giving me the same number though. So random number generation is not, it's using a seed. So that's what I don't want to pay to flash ESP32. Or do you want to do the same thing we do every night, Pinky? I'm not gonna pay fucking 500 Turkish liras to just flash that, by the way. Fuck that, bro. Alright, I'm always getting the same random results because of the seed, so let me just change this to that and flash it again, and it's gonna take forever again. Fuck. And it is stuck again. It is stuck again. You know, at some point in my life, I was running Android Studio on a desktop computer on Windows 7, and I learned to write code for 40 minutes straight and not even test it once, and then after that session I just run it and it was working. The reason why is because I don't know, because I was not just testing or running the code at all, just writing. And the reason why is because Java is so shitty and you can just output a lot of code and you don't even have to debug it. What does that have to do with anything? It absolutely does not have anything to do with anything actually. It's just like a random fucking story that I wanted to tell you. Okay, exercise mode. Let's let me just plug in the guitar actually. Just plug in the guitar. If the seed is set, it will be same always. Yeah, that's why I changed the seed so it's an easier note, because it was showing us a very low pitch note. The random note. Write once, use no. Damn, that was savage. Okay, let's give this bad boy a try. I'm just playing the guitar, guys. Now live. Okay, live. Guitar playing. Say, oh my god, what is that? What is that? That's a new POV. New POV just dropped, guys. New POV just dropped. Okay, there you go. Fretboard. Okay, exercise mode. Where the heck is that? Oh, I flashed it in fucking 26 megahertz. 26 megahertz won't work with this because Oh my god, I need to just unplug everything and just flash the game with 40 megahertz, and then I just need to run it again with my guitar and everything. Fuck. Okay, we're just back at it again. Let's try to get 40 now. It didn't work. Remove the USB, plug it in again, run it again. 26 again. Just stop that, run it again. Are we gonna get 40? Yes, this time we get 40. I don't fucking know why we get that now. Unplug the USB, plug in the camera, go to the face cam view, and turn on the device. Press the button twice. Go to the fretboard. Set this to exercise mode. Fucking hell. Okay. I really don't like the red string, by the way. It works kinda. But it doesn't clear the ghost note for some reason. I don't know why. Oh shit, it's because of the seed. God damn it. God damn it. Guys, fuck it, I'm just gonna turn on my amp and just play some random shit for you. See the static, it will be same melodies always. Fuck. That sucks, man. I don't have a pick, by the way. Where's my pick? I don't have a pick right now. What was that song, bro? Maybe just fix the random seed. Namco, love you, man. Isn't it late? Your neighbors must adore you. Fuck the neighbors, man. I don't have my pick right now. Let me just get a pick. Okay, guys, let me fix the seed and let me get a pick. Okay. Let's fix that shit. I don't know how to play the guitar, by the way. I literally don't know how to play. That's why I'm building this. But I was so stuck in building this that I couldn't even practice. Guys, practice starts today after this tracking mode thing. Alright. Okay. Okay. Does the USB keep a timer since it was turned on? Practice starts no dual grinding. Maybe. I mean, I can do that. Why are you asking? Okay, I totally forgot what I was doing. I need to go to utils, I think. Wait, why is this turned on? Fast rand, U8, fast rand. I had my neighbors call the police on me, my friends, without even warning. What the fuck? A small ball may work with that via mic, maybe. Definitely, I think it will work with the mic for sure. For being slightly loud, that sucks, man. Your neighbors are sucky people. I'm sure they write Java or Go or some gay shit like that. I thought you were ready for the talent show, but you can't play. Yeah, I cannot play, bro. Cannot play. Cannot play. I need to pick a song and practice it in the next 3 days. Oh man, I love speedrunning projects. Absolutely great. Also, my shoulder hurts like a motherfucker right now. Alright, turned on. Let's get to the fretboard exercise mode. Hell yeah, bro. Okay. I'm just trying it out, okay? Showing me some notes right there. Let's play, let's hit it. Okay, it disappeared, but I didn't get another note. Why? Why? What's wrong with my... What's wrong with my logic now? I thought that it would work. Okay, exercise. If it's empty... If it's empty, you're supposed to add a... You're supposed to add another one. What the hell, man? Okay, let me restart it. Maybe something's broken. You're missing too much right now, because I cannot share it with you. Okay. Okay, that worked. It's actually pretty fun. I just did like 4. Okay. Okay, it works, guys. It works. I basically like practice with that. Guys, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna show it to you, but I'll try my best. One sec. Where's my... I'll try to show it to you. I hope you're curious about this. So, oh man, the lighting on this is so bad, dude. Oh my god. I'm just trying to hold the guitar and this thing at the same time. Maybe if I do it like this, you'll see it. No. Yeah, you can barely see it, but I don't know how I'm gonna just do this, hold this and just play it at the same time. That's kind of problematic. That's not kind of problematic, that's a lot of problems right now. Fucking hell. That's why I need some assistant or somebody, Camera. I need a camera guy. Camera guy. Okay. Oh shit. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Let's try to hit that. Wait. What? Where is that? I can barely see it, bro. Okay, sounds like shit, but works. All right. Did you guys see it? I hope you saw it. I mean, you can literally see it. Yeah, I don't know why I'm like using distortion. Guys, it's addicting. I cannot stop. It's so addicting. I cannot stop. We're gonna get copyrighted because of this music. Okay, I should stop, but you get the idea. Okay, good progress. What do you guys think? Guys, you know what I've been practicing? I've been practicing some riffs that yeah, I'm still kind of far away from playing properly. I need to build this device as soon as possible. Okay. Namco. Just dropping Turkish references left and right. Now the micro is showing weird glyphs again. Euro Truck Simulator music. Is that the soundtrack to an album of that famous rapper XOR? That I heard that guy is dead, bro. So that's that. We had the random note thing. Let me rename this to random actually. Instead of exercise, we call this random. Okay, and then guys, one other thing that I need to do is scrollable fretboard. So let's say you another hip-hop artist who passed away too soon. Rest in peace, man. May his soul rest in peace. So let's say we have like 6 frets available, right? Just imagine that you play something on the 10th fret, so it will just go to 10th fret automatically, just scroll. You know what I'm saying? So we just gotta do that. But I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that in the stream because I'm already fucking dying. I might at least try to add a test for it though. Let's see, fretboard tests, integration, test track notes, test scroll. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate what I meant. So but this is not needed for the random mode. I think this is add Hijaz and you'll be rich. Yeah, I'll add that too. This is gonna have a scale mode too, so we'll add that as well. So you'll be able to practice scales and stuff like that. Also, I should add like a point system so that you'll see your points or whatever, like, you know, just like a game, like a gamification of something. So this could be like configurable, but I'm thinking if you hit all the notes in, you know, it's gonna be time based probably. Maybe there will be a countdown as well. I don't know, man. There are like too many things to build. I just want to focus on like the simplest stuff. Okay. So yeah, I'll be close to the limits of the device. What do you mean limits? Do you mean as like resource wise, or what do you mean? Memory? No, I don't think so. Maybe though, I don't know. So a the note is on the 10th fret, so scroll to the right. F sharp 10, no. Give me a note on 10th fret and 3rd string. A sharp 4. So what do I expect to see here? This is gonna be a bit interesting. Give me the expected buffer. Now scroll. I can only render 6 frets, so you gotta start from 4 or up. Just get a quick answer. You're so shitty anyways. Yes, something like that. But not quite actually. It's gonna fail. Fix the expected. Dude, how is that A sharp 4? Okay, change that A sharp 4 to something further 10th fret D string. Guys, I should probably sleep. Just saying. Just saying. like, how do I, like, should I just scroll automatically, or how should this work? Maybe I should just leave it here and just tackle this thing tomorrow. What do you guys think? Because I'm already so dead, and tomorrow I need to... I was thinking of assembling another PCB tomorrow and just taking picture of the assembly steps for the documentation. Because, you know, documentation purposes. So maybe I should do both of them tomorrow, but that would probably take like 6 hours if I try to do both of them tomorrow. Dude, I'm so cooked. I also need to write a blog post about it. Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. This was fun. Pretty good progress, I would say. It was, yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna leave you with this mix, which is literally called I don't understand how I didn't become the king of SoundCloud after posting this mix. This is the name of the mix that we're listening to right now, if you're curious. You're the embedded goddess. Thanks, man. Release PHP in your dreams. Try my best, bro. Take care, everybody. I like Android Studio, man.